Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find information about scams in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You should wait a little bit until the app loads in, and once you are inside the app and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner, and there you will find the more option. Press on it, and here you should scroll down a little bit, and you will see the help and information section, and there you should select the first option, which is scam alerts. Now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in, and here you can read about the scam alerts, and you can see here the view current scams. Press on that, and you can see here the first section, which is SMS scams. You can scroll down and read all about it, and if you want to see different kind of scams, you can just see here the email scams or other scams. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.